Happy Tuesday, everyone. Here are 8 marketing trends that are driving brand awareness and lead generation for B2B companies. Thought leadership content, pictures of the team at networking events, explainer videos and DIY team member videos, influencer marketing through brand ambassadors and thought leader collaboration, LLMs for help with social media copy or titles for articles, presentations, and interviews, account-based marketing, marketing tech stack integrations and automated workflows, data privacy and security. Implement these marketing activities through specific and targeted strategies that meet your customers where they are and give them what they're looking for. Make your company approachable through humanization and be very wary of data privacy that significantly impacts the efficacy of PPC and gated content. Thanks for watching, and remember, #make it happen.